Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In this video, we'll learn how to install a software agent on a device with a Windows operating system using from an autoinstaller with exe format as an attended installing. We will start with the installation using the autoinstaller. First, access through a browser the page where your repository of software agents is located, and within the repositories, access the directory of the version you want and enter the Windows directory. Within this directory, you will find several files. In this case, you will have to download the file with the name Pandora FMS Windows Agent. After downloading this file, run it as an administrator user and next select the language you want the installation wizard to be shown. In my case, it will be Spanish. Continue the installation by clicking Next, after which a text will appear with the terms of the license, which you will accept by clicking Agree. In the next step, you will have to select where the different files of Pandora FMS Agent will be located. By default, it will be found in C, Program Files, Pandora Agent. This path can be modified by clicking Browse, but we will use this and then click Install. Now wait for the installation files to be copied to the directory you chose. Once finished, in the next window a box will appear where you may configure Pandora FMS server IP and also another box where you may define to which group you want your agent to be added. This group name must be the same as the one that appears in the console, and once this is configured, click Next. In the next window, an option to enable remote configuration will appear, which we strongly recommend but will only work in Pandora FMS enterprise environments. By clicking Next, you will have to leave the option Run Pandora FMS Agent checked. If you leave it unchecked, you will have to initiate the agent yourself. Once installation is finished, you will be able to configure the parameters of your agent if you access pandoraagent.com file or from the remote configuration from the console if you previously enabled the parameter during the installation. If you go to Pandora FMS console, in the agent section you will see that you already have the Windows agent and it will start monitoring your device. Now proceed with installation of a Windows agent in an attended way. In order to do that, run a terminal in administrator mode and go to the directory where you downloaded the file. And once there, type in the name of the file followed by an S to make it a default installation. This installation accepts several parameters to automatically configure the agent. For example, with IP you may configure the server IP, just as you may also use group to add the group of your agent, alias to define the name of your agent, and remote config to enable remote configuration. Afterwards, access the server console and in the agent section you will see your Windows software agent. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much for your time and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.